Major decisions from the U.S. Supreme Court today.
So the court upheld birthright citizenship, rejecting an executive order made by President Trump that stripped citizenship from people whose parents were here illegally or temporarily at the time they were born.
Here's Denver 7's Alex Dowd.
While some are applauding this decision, others are critical of it. In Colorado, many immigrant communities are celebrating today. Karen Arena from the Colorado Immigrant Rights Coalition, who's also an American child of undocumented parents, says this decision is a relief.
This next order relates to the definition of birthright citizenship.
President Trump signed an executive action at the start of his term essentially ending birthright citizenship. That order was never actually enforced. Federal courts blocked the enforcement while several lower courts fought the legality of that order, resulting in this decision.
It would have created pretty much stateless children. A lot of immigrant parents who come here, they're leaving their home country, and in a lot of instances, they're not able to return. And so there was a question to be had there. What would happen to these children who were born on U.S. territory but were not considered U.S. citizens?
The Justice Department posted on X today that it still plans to fight this ruling, saying, quote, actors seeking to exploit loopholes to obtain automatic citizenship for their children pose a national security threat and will be brought to justice. There are still exceptions to this birthright citizenship rule. Children of active ambassadors to the U.S. and children of soldiers actively invading the country won't be American citizens, even if they're born on U.S. soil. In the newsroom, Alex Dowd, Denver 7.
Supreme Court also today lifted limits on how much political parties can spend in coordination with candidates for Congress and president. That strikes down a law more than 50 years old. Republicans, including President Trump, celebrated this decision. The president called it a big win for the First Amendment. Dems have largely opposed this decision.
The Supreme Court also reached a decision that upholds laws barring transgender girls and women from competing on women's sports teams. The court said that state bans in both Idaho and West Virginia do not violate the Constitution. In total, 27 states have some form of restrictions in place on transgender athletes. We'll be right back.